Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today I'm staying home. Why? I think you know the answer. Because of coronavirus around the world. If you, for whatever reason, are staying today at home, this dance lesson might be for you. This is our third dance lesson at home. You might want to check first two lessons, which are basic waltz lesson and basic tango lesson. But today we will do slow foxtrot. You might ask, is it really possible to dance slow foxtrot in such a small space like here? And my answer to that is yes, we can do, and we will do this today. We will start with some basic exercises for posture, balance, then for rotation and leading sides, and then we will do technical exercise for heel turn in slow foxtrot. And after that we will do slow foxtrot basic routine. You can dance almost in any small space. And we start with basic posture and balance exercise. So we pull stomach in, we lengthen our spine, we put shoulders down, at the same time we stretch neck and head up and slightly backwards. So knees are slightly bent forward and our balance is on front of our feet. So this is because this is swing dance and we need this balance very much forward. Now we rise up on toes and lower slowly down. And we keep our balance in front of our feet. And we will count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So sometimes ladies will use in slow foxtrot no foot rise. This means that ladies would do slow, quick, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and not rising on toes, just using knees and body. This way. Now we will add rotation. And why do we need rotation in slow foxtrot? Because we need to produce side lead. So we will rotate in hip area. Our spine will react to this rotation, and also our arms will react. And we will produce, if we move forward, left side forward or left side lead. Now rotation, and now this is right side lead. Again, left side lead, right side lead. Notice that our elbows are rotating together with our spine, but this part of our arm can move slightly like this. This is okay. But this would be wrong. Why? Because elbows are moving in relation to our spine. So correct version is slow, quick, slow, quick. And this is not correct. Okay? This is not correct. Good. Now we will do exercise with moving steps. We will do feather step and then change of direction. And we will see how there we produce side lead. Man's steps. Man starts with right foot, forward and rotation, then is forward with left side lead. So we keep this direction in space, and third step is forward in CBMP outside partner, or forward outside partner in one line our feet. So we continue with change of direction, step forward, with we start rotation and turn to left. So we turn, go to side and brush and small step forward. And from beginning, slow, quick, quick, left side lead, slow, quick, quick, and this is right side lead, and slow, left side lead, slow, right side lead, slow, left side lead, slow, right side lead, slow, left side lead, slow, right side lead, whoosh. And now ladies steps. Ladies of course start with left foot backwards. So first step is back, rotation is to right. And second step is back with right side lead. Next step is back in CBMP, partner is outside. Now we will do change of direction, step back and start rotation, then small step to side and small step back, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, right side lead, slow, left side lead, slow, right side lead, slow, left side lead, slow, right side lead, slow, left side lead, whoosh. Now we will do technical exercise for heel turn in slow foxtrot. We will start with right foot back, and now we will draw left heel in contact with the floor and close feet. So weight is still on right foot and we will turn on right heel. Now we transfer weight to left foot, rise up on toe and step forward with right foot. Now we will do same thing but in opposite direction. So we go back with left foot, we draw right heel closed, turn on left heel at the same time. Now we transfer weight to right foot, rise up and step forward from toe lower. And back, close, forward, and back, close, forward. This is reverse turn and this is natural turn. So we turn to left with heel turn and turn to right with heel turn. Very good. Now we will do slow foxtrot routine. Man steps. Man starts with right foot and dances feather step. Slow, quick, quick. Now reverse turn, forward to side, around lady, back. We continue reverse turn, back to side and forward, outside partner in CBMP. Now we will do 3 step, forward, second step forward with heel lead and the right side is leading. Third step is forward. Now we will do curve feather. We will curve to right, forward, forward with left side lead and forward outside partner. Now we will go back and dance hover. It's similar to quick steps running finish. So we go back to side, brush and diagonally forward. And from beginning, slow, quick, quick, 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 again, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now from opposite direction, feather step, slow, quick, quick, reverse turn, slow, quick, quick, continue reverse turn, slow, quick, quick, 3 step, slow, quick, quick, curve feather, slow, quick, quick, and hover, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Very good. Now we will do ladies steps. Lady starts, of course, backwards with left foot, feather step, back with rotation, back with right side lead, and back in CBMP, allowing man to go outside. Now reverse turn with heel turn. Back, draw left heel, close and forward. Continue reverse turn, forward to side, back in CBMP. Now 3 step, back, back with left side lead, and back in CBMP. Now curve feather, back, back on toes, back and in CBMP. And now hover, forward to side, brush, and diagonally back. And from beginning, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, again, and slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now from opposite direction, feather step, slow, quick, quick, reverse turn, slow, quick, quick, continue reverse turn, slow, quick, quick, 3 step, slow, quick, quick, curve feather, slow, quick, quick, and hover, slow, quick, quick, and again, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, again, and slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now let's try to music. And now lady steps. I hope you enjoyed today's dance lesson. If you have some questions or suggestions, please comment. And now I would like to thank all my patrons on Patreon. Without your love and support, it wouldn't be possible to make such a dance lessons free for everybody. So thank you. And thank you all who are watching now this video. Stay home, stay safe, and keep dancing.